Alright boys, here we are, our biggest heist yet. We're gonna be famous for this one. Sounds dangerous.
That's what makes it worthwhile. There's a train headed down around these parts tomorrow. It's got enough on it to make us rich for a lifetime. Thompson, you'll stop that train with your signature stare. And Bart, when he stops that train, I need you to gun it into the locomotive and do whatever it takes to get rid of that conductor. And I'll make sure everything goes according to plan.
Don't want to get your hands dirty.
I got them dirty enough planning this out. You two could learn a thing or two about being grateful for me.
Psst, Thompson. Hey, Thompson.
Yeah?
Look, I normally wouldn't say this, but do you think Dewey might not be pulling his weight?
I know what you mean. It seems he thinks he can get away with working us to the bone and taking the profit.
Exactly. This time, I propose we...
Dude. Oh man, I sure do love my job. Hey, what's that on the tracks? Seriously, that's not the heat playing tricks, is it? Hey, is that an owl? Roadkill, maybe? It's not a man, is it? Oh Lord, it is! That's a man on the tracks. Oh, what do I do? What do I do? I need to get there in time, but there's a man on the tracks. I could lose my job, my dream job, but he could lose his life. Lord help me now. Hey now, let's not do anything we'd regret. Seriously, I graduated top of my class in both gunslinging and conducting. I'll fight for this job, I will. Yes, my big score. It's finally here. That train is worth thousands. I'll be rich.
Now. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Huh?
What the? No! Those two imbeciles are foiling my plans.